Hello viewers, welcome to our channel 1 Minute Recipes, where every recipe takes, well, more than a minute. So today we are going to learn how to not make chai. Yeah, get a nice big vessel, add 3 cups of milk. No, just 2 cups. Yeah, there we go, the second cup of milk. And then 1 cup of water. Why water? Because we are broke. And then we go get a big piece of ginger. We peel it off and then make sure you crush it really well. Make sure that noise is heard all around the house so people know that you're making chai. That's it. Yeah, that should be it. And then get some tea dust. By the way, I just realized that all the good quality tea gets exported and what we're left with is just the dust. I mean, that's sad, but anyway, I think it works for broke. We go add some sugar. Make sure you add lots of sugar because it's winter and you would be needing that extra layer of fat to keep yourself warm. I think that should be enough. Yep. Okay, one more. There goes the ginger. What's next? Well, take a big piece of cardamom or elaichi. Hit it really hard. Should be dead. Okay. There you go. And now let's just wait for it to boil. Yeah, now here comes the tricky part. You gotta bring it all the way up and then simmer it down so it goes down again. It's a good exercise for reflexes, by the way. Helps you practice, knows how fast you are. Yeah, stir it up. Do it again. Now we're gonna do this a couple of times so we get some extra YouTube viewing hours. So yeah. Yep, keep stirring. Let it boil, simmer down, let it boil, simmer down. I think that should be done by now. Okay. Make sure you have a really bright piece of cloth. Then time to filter it. Make sure you got a nice fine mesh filter and filter the chai. In case you're wondering why is your chai not so bright orange, you should work on your color grading skills. Yep, and there we have it. Finally, the chai is here. Goes from the, I don't know what you call it, into the cup. Nice warm cup of tea made with ginger and elaichi. You could even call it masala tea, except there's no real masala. Maybe we should try that once. Make some chai with some masala. Get the turmeric, chili powder, pepper, garlic paste. Oh, there we have it. Thanks for watching.